The festive season is all about warmth, delicious flavors, and bringing people together. But here's a little secret. The key to perfect holiday baking isn't just in the recipes. It starts with a clean oven. Welcome to FastKlean, your trusted source for smart, practical cleaning tips. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new cleaning hack. When your oven is dirty, it doesn't just look bad. It affects everything from flavor to efficiency. Burnt residue can release unwanted smells that cling to your festive dishes, while grease buildup makes your oven work harder and cook less evenly. A spotless oven ensures your Christmas roast and mince pies taste exactly how they should. Cleanliness isn't just about flavor, it's also about safety. Grease can spark fires, and blocked vents can fill your kitchen with smoke. Giving your oven a good clean before the holidays creates a safer and more stress-free cooking environment. And here's a bonus: a clean oven uses energy more efficiently. No grime means even heating, faster cooking, and lower energy bills. A win-win for both your food and your wallet. To keep it clean through the season, line trays to catch drips, wipe the interior after cooking, and tackle messes before they harden. If you're short on time, professional cleaning can make sure your oven is spotless and holiday ready. Start your festive season with a clean slate and a clean oven. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to FastKlean, and share in the comments your favorite holiday dish to bake.